How can you waive a rule that when changed, there is a required rule to change it or a process to change it? You make some you get a general legal maxim, general legal principle, tapos you just salpak it there as if it is a one-stop solution. Explain to us, how will you waive it? Di i-waive na lang nila lagi yan. That means there will be no rules anymore. Sipin mo, i-waive mo yung rules ng Senate na kung saan, bago mo baguhin, kailangan mong dumaan sa proseso ng pagbabago wherein there will be also division of the House, tapos i-waive mo ng ganon. Paano nila alam kung ano yung wini-waive mo na rule when you didn't even expressly tell them what rule you are waiving? When the quorum, 12 under the circumstances of the Senate now unanimously voted to vacate all positions and to vote for the Senate President pro tempore and other officers, the Senate as an institution through the functioning quorum waived and modified Rule 2, Section 2 to prevent a great evil. Invento. They violated it. They did not waive it. Very self-defeating, self-debunking. Tapos, through a functioning quorum, how convenient! Waived and modified Rule 2, Section 2 to prevent a great evil. Hindi nyo nga alam yung Rule 2, Section 2 na yan nung umpisa. You never mentioned Rule 2, Section 2. Tapos, modified Rule 2, Section 2 to prevent a greater evil, the paralysis of the workings of the Senate. How convenient.